Hello friends, how are you? Hope you all will be doing well. My name is Mohammad Mehboob and I am welcoming you all in my new video that is related to legal aptitude for TC and AP law set. That is very important from the point of view of TC and AP law set 2025. Before proceeding ahead, I want to tell you one thing, that if you are visiting first time on this video, you can visit all those videos that is uploaded on this YouTube channel. For your convenience, I have separated those video in three parts, that is legal aptitude, current affairs, and GK. That is available in playlist. So you can visit playlist and watch all those video that is available in playlist. It will be helpful for your preparation and it will definitely help in your examination. So without wasting our time in discussion, let's discuss these questions. So the first question is an autobiography. One second. So the first question is an authority given by the client in writing to the advocate to represent him in court is called as. Its right answer is wakalatnama. So the right answer is C. Question number two. The emergency provisions of the Indian Constitution are borrowed from the Constitution of. Its right answer is Germany. So the right answer is A. Question number three. Amicus curiae means. Its right answer is friend of the court. So the right answer is C. Question number four. Constitutional safeguards are provided to the civil servants by the Indian Constitution by the following article. Its right answer is Article 311. So the right answer is B. Question number five. Which writ is claimed to challenge the appointment of a person to a public office? Its right answer is quo warranto. So the right answer is C. Question number six. Which one of the following is not a subject of union list? Its right answer is prisons. So the right answer is C. Question number seven. BCI means. Its right answer is Bar Council of India. So the right answer is C. Question number eight. The person for whose benefit the guarantee is given in a contract of a guarantee is known as. Its right answer is principal debtor. So the right answer is C. Question number nine. The oath to a high court judge is administered by. Its right answer is governor. So the right answer is A. Question number 10. What is a unicameral legislature? Its right answer is a legislature consisting only one house. So the right answer is A. Question number 11. Judge's opinion can be said as. Its right answer is obiter dicta. So the right answer is A. Question number 12. Part 4 of the Indian Constitution deals with. Its right answer is directive principles of state policy. So the right answer is B. Question number 13. The judges of the Supreme Court hold office till they attain age of. Its right answer is 65 years. So the right answer is D. Question number 14. Which schedule of the Indian Constitution contains the union list, state list, and concurrent list? Its right answer is 7th. So the right answer is B. Question number 15. Which of the following articles deals with writ jurisdiction of High Court? Its right answer is Article 226. So the right answer is C. Question number 16. The minimum age for appointment as governor of a state in India is. Its right answer is 35 years. So the right answer is B. Question number 17. Which of the following states have common high court? Its right answer is Punjab and Haryana. So the right answer is A. Question number 18. A.B. Dicey is the propounder of which of the following doctrine? Its right answer is rule of law. So the right answer is A. Question number 19. Ultra virus means. Its right answer is beyond the powers. So the right answer is B. Question number 20. Who among the following is the ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha? Its right answer is Vice President of India. So the right answer is B. Question number 21. Who appoints the members of State Public Service Commission? Its right answer is Governor. So the right answer is A. Question number 22. Directive principles of state policy are taken from. Its right answer is Irish Constitution. So the right answer is D. Question number 23. When was the Advocate Act came into existence? Its right answer is 1961. So the right answer is D. Question number 24. The power of the President of India to issue an ordinance is. Its right answer is legislative power. So the right answer is B. Question number 25. The 10th schedule of the Indian Constitution deals with. Its right answer is anti-defection law. So the right answer is D. Question number 26. Chief Election Commissioner is appointed by. Its right answer is President. So the right answer is C. Question number 27. The word socialist was added in the Indian Constitution by the. Its right answer is 42nd Amendment. So the right answer is B. Question number 28. Mutual consent of divorce by Muslim husband and wife is known as. Its right answer is Mubarak. So the right answer is C. Question number 29. Administrative law is a. Its right answer is public law. So the right answer is B. Question number 30. Which one of the following is not an essential in the formation of contract? Its right answer is written agreement. So the right answer is D. Question number 31. Give another name of mercy killing. Its right answer is euthanasia. So the right answer is A. Question number 32. The Constitution of India provides. Its right answer is single citizenship. So the right answer is A. Question number 33. The expression dying in state refers to. Its right answer is dying without a living will. So the right answer is C. Question number 34. A person who makes an affidavit or deposition is called. Its right answer is deponent. So the right answer is B. Question number 35. Ex officio means. Its right answer is by virtue of his office. So the right answer is C. Question number 36. Which one of the following is not a defense to tortious liability? Its right answer is lack of mens rea. So the right answer is C. Question number 37. Who was the first speaker of the Lok Sabha in India? Its right answer is J.B. Mawalankar. So the right answer is D. Question number 38. What is the minimum age of marriage for girls in India as per the law? Its right answer is 18 years. So the right answer is D. Question number 39. Right to property was excluded fundamental rights during the tenure of the government headed by. Its right answer is Morarji Desai. So the right answer is B. Question number 40. The right to education is. Its right answer is fundamental right. So the right answer is C. Question number 41. When two or more persons agree to do an illegal act or do an illegal act means it amounts to. Its right answer is criminal conspiracy. So the right answer is A. Question number 42. Who appoints a judge of a high court? Its right answer is Chief Justice of. One second. Question number 42. Who appoints a judge of high court? Its right answer is who appoints a judge of high court is its right answer is president. So the right answer is C. Question number 43. Delivery of goods as security to get the loan from another is called. Its right answer is pledge. So the right answer is D. Question number 44. An ordinance can be promulgated by the President of India. Its right answer is when the Parliament is not in session. So the right answer is B. Question number 45. Protecting the sovereignty and integrity of the country is inserted in the Constitution of India as. Its right answer is fundamental duty. So the right answer is C. Question number 46. Judicial organ of United Nations organization is. Its right answer is International Court of Justice. So the right answer is B. Question number 47. Writ petition can be filed in. Its right answer is Supreme Court and High Court. Both. So the right answer is C. Question number 48. Who appoints the Advocate General? Its right answer is Governor of State. So the right answer is B. Question number 49. Actus non facet rems nisi mens sit rea is the fundamental principle of. Its right answer is criminal liability. So the right answer is A. Question number 50. What is testament? Its right answer is bill. So the right answer is D. Question number 51. Article 17 of the Indian Constitution abolishes. Its right answer is untouchability. So the right answer is A. Question number 52. Which country does not have a written constitution? Its right answer is United Kingdom. So the right answer is C. Question number 53. To whom the Speaker of Lok Sabha has to address his resignation letter? Its right answer is Deputy Speaker of Lok Sabha. So the right answer is D. Question number 54. What is the minimum age to contest for election to Lok Sabha? Its right answer is 25 years. So the right answer is A. Question number 55. How many schedules are incorporated in the Constitution of India? Its right answer is 12. So the right answer is D. Question number 56. Who propounded the theory of separation of power? Its right answer is Montesquieu. So the right answer is D. Question number 57. Who is the first citizen of India? Its right answer is President. So the right answer is D. Question number 58. Which of the following schedules of the Constitution of India contains the anti-defection law? Its right answer is 10th schedule. So the right answer is D. Question number 59. The doctrine of double jeopardy in Article 20, Clause 3 of the Constitution of India means. Its right answer is no one can be tried and punished more than once for the same offense. So the right answer is A. Question number 60. Law and order is the subject matter of the following list. Its right answer is state list. So the right answer is A. Question number 61. Age of superannuation of a High Court judge is. Its right answer is 62 years. So the right answer is C. Question number 62. Which of the following can legislate on the matters mentioned in the concurrent list? Its right answer is Parliament and state legislature. Both can legislate matters mentioned in the concurrent list. So the right answer is C. Question number 63. Which one of the following is not a source of law? Its right answer is legal theory. So the right answer is C. Question number 64. Which schedule of the Constitution of India contains the state list, union list, and concurrent list? Its right answer is 7th schedule. So the right answer is B. Question number 65. The minimum age for appointment as governor of a state in India is. Its right answer is 35 years. So the right answer is B. Question number 66. Indian Parliament is based on the principle of. Its right answer is bicameralism. So the right answer is A. Question number 67. Which one of the following was described by Dr. Ambedkar as heart and soul of the Constitution? Its right answer is right to constitutional remedies. So the right answer is A. Question number 68. The Comptroller and Auditor General of India is appointed by. Its right answer is President. So the right answer is A. Question number 69. The constitutional amendment by which the voting age 21 years has been reduced to 18 years is. Its right answer is 61st amendment. So the right answer is B. Question number 70. What kind of jurisdiction does the Supreme Court have? Its right answer is original, appellate, and advisory jurisdictions. The right answer is D. Question number 71. The Family Courts Act was passed in the year. Its right answer is 1984. So the right answer is B. Question number 72. Which one of the following is called as habeas corpus case? Its right answer is ADM Jabalpur case. So the right answer is A. Question number 73. What is the minimum age for the members of Rajya Sabha? Its right answer is 30 years. So the right answer is C. Question number 74. A previous judgment cited by courts to decide on a similar set of fact is. Its right answer is precedent. So the right answer is A. Question number 75. In the absence of Chief Justice of India, who gives the oath to President? Its right answer is senior most judge of the Supreme Court. So the right answer is B. Question number 76. Who is the chairman of Bar Council of India? Its right answer is Manan Kumar Misra. So the right answer is A. Question number 77. Who accords recognition to political parties in India as national or regional parties? Its right answer is Election Commission of India. So the right answer is A. Question number 78. In which of the following cases the word persecution is used? Its right answer is in a criminal case. So the right answer is B. Question number 79. Hindu marriage is its right answer is sacrament. So the right answer is A. Question number 80. Which article of the Constitution of India lays down the provision for a national commission for SCs and STs? Its right answer is Article 338. So the right answer is A. Question number 81. Excise duty is imposed on. Its right answer is manufacture of goods. So the right answer is B. Question number 82. If the speaker adjourns the house without fixing the time for next meeting, it is called. Its right answer is adjournment sine die. So the right answer is C. Question number 83. The failure to take ordinary reasonable care resulted in damage injury amounts to. Its right answer is negligence. So the right answer is C. Question number 84. SEZ stands for. Its right answer is Special Economic Zone. So the right answer is C. Question number 85. If a person takes or entices any minor without consent of their guardian, is said to commit an offense of. Its right answer is kidnap. So the right answer is C. Question number 86. Chief Justice of Supreme Court, pres- Chief Justice of Supreme Court presently. Its right answer is Justice Sanjeev Khanna. So the right answer is A. Question number 87. The recommendation of Sarkaria Commission relates to. Its right answer is center-state relations. So the right answer is D. Question number 88. Which section of Indian Penal Code defines murder? Its right answer is section 300. So the right answer is A. And in BNS 2023, the murder has been defined in 101. Section 101. Question number 89. Which article of Indian Constitution enables minorities to establish educational institution of their choice? Its right answer is Article 30. So the right answer is A. Question number 90. Who is present Chief Information Commissioner of India? Its right answer is Hira Lal Samaria. So the right answer is D. Question number 91. What is the fixed strength of Rajya Sabha? Its right answer is 250. So the right answer is A. Question number 92. What is the status of a person on whom an offense is alleged? Its right answer is accused. So the right answer is B. Question number 93. Which Indian states was under president's rule for the first time? Its right answer is Punjab. So the right answer is B. Question number 94. Which one of the following statements is incorrect? Its right answer is all agreements are contracts. So the right answer is D. Question number 95. Who is the chairman of Press Council of India presently? Its right answer is Justice Ranjan Prakash Desai. So the right answer is A. Question number 96. The word tort is derived from a Latin term tortum, which means its right answer is twisted. So the right answer is C. Question number 97. A matter under consideration in the court is called. Its right answer is sub judicata. So the right answer is C. Question number 98. Ubi just ebi remedium means. Its right answer is where there is right, there is remedy. So the right answer is B. Question number 99. If the consent of a party is obtained by undue influence, fraud, the contract is. Its right answer is voidable. So the right answer is C. Question number 100. Where is the National Judicial Academy located? Its right answer is Bhopal. So the right answer is B. Question number 101. The term caveat emptor means. Its right answer is let the buyer beware. So the right answer is C. Question number 102. A medical examination of a dead body to ascertain the cause of death is known as. Its right answer is post mortem. So the right answer is B. So it all was for today. We will meet in next video. Before ending this video, I want to tell you one thing, that if you are visiting first time on this video, you can visit those all those video that is uploaded on this YouTube channel, that is related to legal aptitude, current affairs, and GK. For your convenience, I have created a playlist related to legal aptitude, GK, and current affairs. So you can visit those playlist and watch those video that is uploaded in playlist. It will be helpful for your preparation, and it will be helpful for your examination. So we will meet in next video, that will be either GK or legal aptitude. Till, thank you very much.